So the bike build is coming along quite nicely. One of the last things I wanted to do is change the dust and oil seals on the front suspension. So I pulled that out. That's one of them. And the problem is to disassemble it, I have to undo the screw in the bottom here, which is in here. I've tried penetrating oil, I've tried heat, I've tried beating on it. Really get one of these to do the job, because the steel's pretty soft, and trying it with this end, yeah, that just wouldn't end well. One screw is pretty much stripped out, and the other one it does turn, but the problem is that this part here, basically a part of the choke, hydraulic choke, just spins with it inside. To stop that from happening, Yamaha says to get a special tool that reaches down in here and basically grabs on a spline, I think, in this hollow shaft or tube or whatever, and stop it from spinning. But of course I don't have that, and well, the internet says there's a trick to get like an extension stick going to reach down in there and give it a bit of pressure to stop it from turning maybe, and then you can get it out. But well, as the screws are destroyed anyways, we're going to do what the French did and give it a clean decapitation, I hope. Going to drill up in here to just about there, so the head of the screw comes off, and hopefully that'll release the whole thing. I'm only showing you the stuff that goes wrong, basically, because there are enough videos online already that show you how to do it by book on a perfectly fine bike anyways. And well, reality sometimes is a bit different. Might as well, why not, right? Hope you can see that. See. Focus, you fuck. Well, if you could see there's a different color ring in the back, but okay, so whatever that was, I could pull, just give this a yank. Look at that. Put you right there. Stay. Success. Alright, second one. We know what to do. Drill down till we see copper ring. Give it a yank. That's not tight enough. The problem here is that this is the one where the choke piece inside turns with the screw, so when drilling it, drill grabs, and the thing just spins around and around, but also wobbling the drill around seems to help. So I've just again broken through mostly to the copper ring, so it stops right here, and then maybe should drill a bit further, but it's out. And for anyone where the screw might come out and doesn't strip out. This is the inner choke pipe, whatever thingy, screw goes in here. And this is the spline where the special tool would go into. But since nobody has that, you can also use a 19mm hex to get in there, and maybe you have enough extensions to reach down in there. Yeah, I guess for the 2 people out there that actually have that problem, which can be solved by that, there you go. 19mm square